I think they're all widely misunderstood. Alarm companies have a duty to comply with the equipment manufacturer specifications, ULC standards, NFPA standards, and nationally recognized industry standards and best practices. The criticality is that most companies don't pay attention once they've installed hundreds or thousands of systems to the core fundamentals that make systems reliable and safe. They don't explain to the customers what the system does not do. They don't explain to the customers the limitations of an alarm system, and they don't explain to the customers why having, for example, a complete fire alarm system versus a supplemental fire alarm system can make the difference between life or death. I think it's changed the market for people that don't know better. And I think that those systems, as we start seeing claims come in from those systems, are going to heighten the sense of awareness that customers cannot expect something they buy over the internet or online to compete with the professional community of the alarm industry.